Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Abhay Singh and welcome you all in this blog. Friends, today I am in Pallavaram, Chennai to meet one of the famous cardiologists, Dr. Asha Murthy ma'am. So people who are new in this blog, please subscribe this channel and I am going to show you the clinic which is situated in Pallavaram, very near to the Pallavaram signal. So friends, this is the SRP Heart Clinic. थोड़ा जूम करेंगे, जस्ट आई विल जूम इट. SRP हार्ट क्लिनिक, डॉक्टर आशा मूर्ति. देखिए, यू कैन सी डॉक्टर कंसल्टेंट कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट MD-DM and Dr. P. Murthy, MS MCH. So just we'll meet Dr. Asha Murthy ma'am here and see patients are, this is a waiting area, patients are waiting here and very near to doctor clinics. I can say it's the attached one. There is a one pharmacy is also there. So after consultation, you can come here. Sri Maran Pharmacy and Pet Shop is written. So all the medicines available here. So no need to roam here and there. You can purchase all the medicine after the prescription. So once we are entering here, you can see this is a reception counter. And here you can see the certificates which doctor achieved. This is a certificate he got awarded from our president APJ Abdul Kalam and other certificate University Day something is there. So all the certificate is here. SRP Heart Center. So Dr. Asha Murthy MD-DM of ICC Senior Consultant Cardiologist. So Tuesday and Thursday he practice here 6 to 9 p.m. and the facilities available cardiogram, treadmill test, 24-hour Holter monitoring and lab attached. So for appointment, you can call this number and you can come. And here Dr. Asha Murthy ma'am and Dr. P. Murthy. P. Murthy is the husband of Dr. Asha Murthy. He is a cardiothoracic surgeon and he is practicing in Bharti Raja Hospital. And Monday, Wednesday and Friday he comes from morning 9 to 12 p.m. Friends, we can see right now a lot of patients are there, plus medical representatives are also waiting. Doctor is inside. So we can see doctor she see patient inside. After that they will meet. She will tell what are the facilities are available in the clinic.
Hi, good evening.
So now Dr. Asha Murthy is with us and just we are going to show what are the facilities are available. Ma'am, just you can tell like what are the facility available here for your patients.
Good evening, viewers. I am Dr. Asha Murthy, senior cardiologist from Sri Ramchandra Medical College and Savita University, former professor and HOD. Presently, I am practicing at my clinic, SRP Heart Center, Pallavaram. This has been practicing for last almost 30 to 35 years. And I being the women cardiologist, so I cater all groups of patients, especially the women at the poor, low income group, middle income group, and high income groups. And this is just to make awareness of the heart problem amongst the women population, because there is a myth that the women do not have a heart problem. Whenever they get some chest pain, they say that it is because of gastric or because of some local costochondritis, and they blame everything for the other problem. Leave apart the heart, because they say that is men's problem. But a few decades now we have witnessed that women are having more cardiac problem after the menopause or pre-menopause, when they have diabetes and hypertension, and there is a history of smoking and a lot of drug abuse is going on among the teenagers and women's population, IT officials and all that, working women population, highly stressed and type A personalities. So many things are going on with this present decade and the present era. So I am giving the awareness of lifestyle modification, dietary changes of taking more of good diet, multigrains and rainbow color vegetables, fruits, avoiding of too much of restaurant foods and there's a junk food which you have to avoid, and drinks, soft drinks and all that should be avoided because they are all empty calories. So this is just for awareness and the facilities which we have.
This is ma'am
12 lead electrocardiogram.
Okay. This is a
With rhythm strip.
Okay.
And we have echocardiogram with a color Doppler, which will show all the cardiac functions and the latest echocardiogram, SOT, which we can assess all the cardiac functions. And we do instantly when the patient comes to chest pain, we do the electrocardiogram, we do the clinical history, then we do the electrocardiogram, take echo pictures, and we do a Holter monitoring. Holter monitoring is to take a 24 hours recording of the patient comes with the chest pain. So we have to see what exactly it is, just to see for any ECG variation, any rhythm disturbances, or there's any silent ischemia. So this all we ruled out in the doing a Holter monitoring. So I'll just show you this thing.
So ma'am is having
We have
help.
a new HealthPix arrangement in which we record all the details of the patient. Even the patient doesn't bring the case sheet or OPD card, they tend to forget, or the patients coming from far away. So we recorded everything in this HealthPix, and even we can take all the documentations, what the treatment was given, what is advised, and when he has to come for follow.
So friends, patients, whoever is coming here, suppose they are not bringing their report and they forgot. So what you can do, there is one software called HealthPix, and every data,
Software?
that is one software, and all the data is recorded in that. So just I will show you.
The prescription is printed out and given to the patient.
Okay.
So
Okay.
patient will tend to immediately forget
Ah.
and they throw away the prescription. So
Okay.
anytime they can come and take a new prescription.
Okay. Okay. So here we can see that in the system there is a software. So here you can see all the record. You know? The patient is forgetting. Suppose you forgot, you are not bringing report. You can see, and by date, and see each and every patient name. You can see, no? Number wise it is coming.
with the phone number.
So phone number is also available.
Alert is
The
also
reminders
sent.
and SMS alert goes to the patient for review after 3 or 6 months. The
Okay.
patient tends to forget.
Okay.
Invariably, the patient will tend to forget.
Okay.
This is the Holter monitoring test,
Okay.
which we connect to the patients for 24 hours. This machine monitors the heart rhythm, beat, abnormal beats, everything of the patient for recording for 24 hours. By this evening we connect, and next day evening it will be disconnected. The patient undergoes overnight rhythms, and the day-to-day activities they are doing on day-to-day life on daytime. All is being recorded, and evening it is being disconnected, and we put it in the recorder, and the results will be verified by doctor. This is 24 hours Holter monitoring.
Okay. Thank you. So friends, you have seen just now in the clinic itself, all the facilities are available. As ma'am told, doctor told about this ECG device that is there, Holter monitoring is there, and that is a echocardiogram. For that it is there. So I can say all the facilities is available in the clinic. So time to time, what we have to do, we have to check our heart. Actually, as like you go for some time for sugar testing is there, na? For diabetes testing you do same way. We have to test our heart also. So like whoever wants, they can come here in the Pallavaram clinic, and they can do all the testing. Friends, just I am going to show you the Holter recording, how it is stored in the system.
This patient's recorder. Suppose if we go for one patient, so we go inside.
Okay.
So this is the 24 hours span recording, starting from night 2100 hours to next day 2100 hours.
Okay.
So with each and every minute is being recorded, 21, 21, 22. So the abnormal beats here, it is recorded in this. This is ectopics, which is recorded in the span of 24 hours recording. So abnormal beats, any abnormal beats is recorded. That helps madam to check the abnormality, and according to this she medicates the patient. This is 24 hours recording to the patient, where they can have a document evidence. Yeah.
Friends, you have seen with this Holter recording, if patient is having any abnormalities, according to that doctor can treat the patient. So 24 hours record will be there. Right now ma'am is seeing patients, so you can see here heart and anatomy, the picture is there, as well.
ஒரு வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சுல
Related
ஒரு
to
வருஷம்
heart,
கரெக்டா
all
ஒரு
the-
வருஷம்
some
கழிச்சா
of the inputs is there.
ஓ ஊர்ல இருக்கியா
See,
சரி
ma'am,
இப்போ
now
இப்போ
ma'am is
எப்படி
treating the
உங்களுக்கு
patient
என்ன
now.
problem இப்போ? உட்காருப்பா.
Now ma'am is taking the measurement, BP measurement. Ma'am is having system. In the system itself you can see patient record, what are the medicines he has given last time, all the details she can know earlier, whatever the treatment was there.
ஒன் இயர் கழிச்சு வரீங்க
எல்லாமே எடுத்துடணும் இதில்
Patient is coming after 1 year. Let's see. So even though ma'am is also having record, a patient brought the report and all, but ma'am has having all the detail in the system. Friends, ma'am is going to do the echo of the patient. I will show you. Yes, ma'am. So ma'am, now you are doing echo for the patient.
அப்படியே லெஃப்ட் சைடு திரும்பிக்கிறீங்களா லூஸ் பண்ணி everything is done in the same sitting. We don't advise echo and Holter and treadmill to take, and the patient goes and come after 1 week, or they may skip off. It's not like that. So same sitting, I do the ECG, I do the clinical study, and give the echo report, and if necessary we do the Holter. Asya there. Which is a very new thing. We have a record documentation of more than 1,000 to 2,000 patients. We are sending SMS alert, and we are having all the records so that even if the patient misses, we can retrieve the data, old data, and give the new printout to the patient. Patient's enrollment can be done. It is very useful for any research purpose or any doing a trial or post marketing surveillance, anything you can do with the help of this HealthPix.
So friends, as ma'am is telling, lot of users is there. This very useful software HealthPlex, because more than 2,000 data you can record, as well as like it will give the reminder also to the patient. So this data you can use for your research, some other research purpose you can use the data and all.
For example, the patient is hypertensive, so we want to know the which are the medication is having a good efficacy to the patient, and we can study the hypertension scroll and study the patient's data, and also for diabetic patient also, whether the patient is having a good control or there is fluctuating, or it's a labile, or what exactly the patient is on medication, diet, and everything can be followed up.
So friends, prospective study or retrospective study, both you can do. For diabetes also you can do. So very useful, like with data is there. देखिए आप लोग सुन सकते हैं साउंड.
अब इसी लेंगे तब देख. The patient comes with chest pain, sudden acute chest pain, and you want to rule out an acute MI, ACS. So what we can do, a Trophy test. We have got lab at the first floor. Immediately the patient goes and gives the blood, and immediately within 45 to half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, the blood test reports come. So we have a dedicated lab by university which all liver lipid profile, renal functions, liver functions, sugar, HbA1c, electrolytes, blood group, and all the CBC, that is typing of anemia. Everything can be done. So patient need not go here for giving blood test. You have to go to another corner. Then for echocardiogram, he has to go to another city and to the other area, to location to get the echo, ECG. Then Holter, he has to go in another hospital to get it connected. So everything is one roof. And just I wanted to explain. This facility, we have a camp, diabetic camp. Like some companies, they take doing a camp of checking the CBG, blood sugar, and they can do HbA1c. So they bring their own instruments and check all the patients' CBG and send the patient inside. Also, we have a hypertension camp, in which blood pressure camp, in which patient, they will check the central blood pressure, peripheral, and then send the patient inside. So we'll have a documentation that, like, I check the counter check it with our mercury instrument, and they have an instant blood pressure Omron outside. So this simultaneously we can do hypertension. We have hypertension clinic, we have a diabetic camp clinic, we have a dietary one, nutrition one comes to give the diet advice to the patients. So in addition to all these, we give a diet advice to.
So friends, you heard that the facilities of this clinic, in a one roof itself you can get all the tests, even ECG, echo or Holter monitoring, even though in additionally ma'am told regularly some blood testing camp like diabetes camp will be there, cardiac camp will be there, where hypertension test will be there. So patient like outside people are there checking companies, and ma'am here also once again she will match like how it will be. Mercury test also she will do. So all the facility in this clinic is available. Apart from this, pharmacy is also attached, as I shown to you. A pharmacy is also attached with the clinic itself. So once ma'am prescribe the drug, patient can purchase here itself. No need to roam here and there. So I can say in one roof all the facilities is available.
Interesting, the patients who are going to Hajj, they're coming for cardiac evaluation, whether they're fit to travel. So this is one of the patient who have come for cardiology clearance. So I've done all the workup, and patient is fit to travel to Hajj, which is going to 17th of May. The clinic location is in number 2 Tiruvika Street, Pallavaram, Chennai. It is in the main road, GST main road, from Pallavaram bus stop. Near just about some 1 furlong, you have to just walk in the main road, and it is in the main road. And if you want to come by train, local train, from there you can just walk for another 5-10 minutes. It is the main road, so there's no difficulty in tracing or chasing the clinic. The appointment, I do my consultation on Tuesday, Thursdays between 6:30 to 9:30, and any other invasive test which is required, angios, anything, so I do it in my specialized hospitals wherever I am visiting. And this is my routine schedule for this. I'll make sure that the women who are coming with atypical chest pain, whether they really have a cardiac problem or they're non-cardiac problem, we will rule out. Because it is not necessary that all patients who come with chest pain have to be put on antiplatelet or aspirin or this thing. So we have to evaluate these patients and then come to a diagnosis and give the diagnosis to the patient so that they can continue. Because this cardiac treatment is have to take pretty long time. So all patients need not, because many times we have seen that general practitioners, physicians, and treating doctors, where they'll just put the patient, when they come with chest pain, they'll just put the patient on antiplatelets, sorbitrate, and statins. So may not be necessary. We do the routine investigations, rule out, and then, if necessary, go accordingly. Mr. Abhay, YouTuber, for organizing this awareness program for the women population with the heart chest pain and for the rule out cardiac problem. And I thank my staff team for coordinating this. I thank my husband, Dr. Murthy, who is a cardiac surgeon, who visits here on Monday and Fridays. He is from government hospital, retired from there, Professor HOD from MMC, Madras Medical College. So he comes on Mondays and Fridays. I come on Tuesday and Thursdays. Thank you very much.
So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And friends, if you like this information, I request you please subscribe this channel. And whoever want to consult here for your cardiology related problem, you can come here and you can consult Dr. Asha Murthy. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.